look here if you want to save money. And since we're talking about saving money, let's go to my deals. Now here it shows you all some of the places you can save. Over 1 million discounts in stores where you can save money on. You can save money on your dining, on if you go to movies, if you service your car, or on beauty salon and so on, and on travel. That's where you can really save money on. Okay, let's go back into the system again. And if you take a look here, it shows you all your own info. If you wanna put an app on the phone, you just click there and you can put it on your phone. And here it shows you your own info and all your order history and who's on your team. And once you click on my referrals after you start advertising, you'll see all your referrals and you get an email with each one. So you have all the information there you need to follow up. And I always follow up because they usually want to ask some questions before they decide to sign up. So I give them the answers and then they can do whatever they want. And if you go here, it shows you your enroller. You should know who that is. And then if you go here for webinars, we have 3 webinars a week, one on Monday, one on Wednesday, and one on Friday. And if you can't make those times, don't worry about it because you can watch the replays on YouTube so you won't miss anything. And you go back into the system again, and you can see who's on the leaderboard. And if you go here, you can see your websites. Now, they call them websites. I prefer to call them landing pages or capture pages, and there's lots of them. You can use whichever one you want or more than one depending where you send them to. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to, but it's entirely up to you. And you go back into the system again, and you see the training. There's lots of training here too. First of all, you get this is just a 10-minute introduction to the training. And you go here, you got a 90-day blitz. And now for marketing material. If somebody asks you about the compensation plan, don't try and explain it. Send it to this video. It'll explain it way better than you can. And if you don't understand it, he can watch it more than once. And then you go here, and there's some more deals. It just keeps getting better and better. There's so many deals here where all the places you can save money. And that's what people want to do nowadays. They want to save money because everything is going up in price. So they're looking for ways they can save money. And here it shows you if you want to contact them or me for more information, you click here and you can contact us. And I'm also going to put a link under the video so you can watch the webinar, one of the webinars. And also, you can join with that same link. And I think that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So thank you for watching and listening, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye for now.